How do I pair my phone? Before you start, make sure Bluetooth has been enabled on your mobile phone. From the home screen, touch the phone icon or press on the phone icon in the shortcut tray near the bottom of the display. Touch Phones at the top of the infotainment display. There is also a Connect Phones option in the middle of the phone display that will shortcut you directly to the phone list menu. From here, touch Add Phone. Now under the Bluetooth settings list on your mobile phone, select the vehicle name. Now follow the instructions on your mobile phone to confirm the 6-digit code showing on the infotainment display and touch Pair. The code displayed on your mobile phone and the infotainment display will need to be acknowledged for a successful pairing. When your mobile phone is successfully paired, it will show under the Connected menu. If the vehicle does not appear on your mobile phone, there are a few ways to start the pairing process again. Turn your mobile phone off and then back on. Delete all instances of this pairing from your mobile device and the vehicle. Go back to the phone menu on the infotainment display and restart the pairing process. If these do not work, you can try resetting your mobile phone, but this step should be done as a last resort. If your mobile phone prompts you to accept connection or allow a phone book download, touch Always Accept and Allow. If this is not done, your phone book may not be available or displayed. You can add additional mobile phones by following the same process.